Reasons for not being able to improve. Are you feeling stuck in your life? Do you want to improve yourself and achieve your dreams, but you don't know how? Do you wonder why some people seem to succeed effortlessly, while others struggle to make any progress? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then this video is for you. In this video, I will share with you some of the common reasons why people fail to improve and how you can overcome them. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of what it takes to improve yourself and reach your full potential. Reason 1. Lack of a clear goal. One of the main reasons why people fail to improve is that they don't have a clear goal. They don't know what they want to achieve, why they want to achieve it, or how they will achieve it. They are just drifting through life, hoping that something good will happen to them. This is a recipe for failure. Without a clear goal, you will lack direction, focus, and motivation. You will waste your time and energy on things that don't matter. You will not be able to measure your progress or celebrate your achievements. The solution is to set a clear and specific goal for yourself. A goal that is meaningful, realistic, and challenging. A goal that inspires you and excites you. A goal that aligns with your values and passions. To set a clear goal, you need to ask yourself these questions. What do I want to achieve? Why do I want to achieve it? How will I achieve it? When will I achieve it? How will I know that I have achieved it? Write down your answers and review them regularly. Make sure that your goal is smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying I want to be fit, say I want to lose 10 kg of body fat and gain 5 kg of muscle mass in 6 months by following a healthy diet and exercise plan. Having a clear goal will give you a sense of purpose, direction, and motivation. It will help you prioritize your actions and focus on what matters. It will help you track your progress and celebrate your achievements. Reason 2. Lack of health habits. Another reason why people fail to improve is that they neglect their health habits. They don't take care of their physical, mental, and emotional well-being. They eat junk food, skip breakfast, drink too much caffeine or alcohol, smoke cigarettes, stay up late, sleep too little or too much, avoid exercise, stress out, isolate themselves, or engage in other unhealthy behaviors. These habits have a negative impact on your health and performance. They lower your energy levels, impair your cognitive functions, weaken your immune system, increase your risk of diseases, reduce your self-esteem, and affect your mood and emotions. The solution is to adopt healthy habits that support your health and performance. Habits that nourish your body, mind, and soul. Habits that boost your energy levels, enhance your cognitive functions, strengthen your immune system, prevent diseases, increase your self-esteem, and improve your mood and emotions. Adopting healthy habits will improve your health and performance. It will make you feel more energetic, alert, confident, and happy. It will help you cope with challenges and overcome obstacles. Reason 3. Lack of practice. A third reason why people fail to improve is that they don't practice enough. They don't put in the time and effort to master their skills, knowledge, or abilities. They don't apply what they learn to real situations. They don't seek feedback or improvement. They don't repeat or review what they do. This is a mistake. Without practice, you will not be able to improve. You will not be able to retain what you learn. You will not be able to perform well under pressure. You will not be able to achieve excellence. The solution is to practice regularly and effectively. Practice that is deliberate, focused, and consistent. Practice that is based on your goals, needs, and feedback. Practice that is challenging, varied, and fun. To practice regularly and effectively, you need to follow these steps. Identify your goal and break it down into smaller and specific sub-goals. Assess your current level of skill, knowledge, or ability and identify your strengths and weaknesses. Design a practice plan that covers the following aspects. What? The content or material that you need to practice. How? The method or technique that you need to use to practice. When? The frequency and duration of your practice sessions. Where? The location or environment where you need to practice. Why? The purpose or benefit of your practice. Execute your practice plan with full attention and concentration. Avoid distractions and interruptions. Focus on the quality rather than the quantity of your practice. Monitor your progress and performance by using objective measures such as tests, quizzes, scores, etc. Record your results and compare them with your previous results or your desired results. Seek feedback from yourself or others who can provide you with constructive criticism and helpful suggestions. Ask questions such as, what did I do well? What did I do poorly? What can I do better? How can I do it better? Analyze your feedback and identify the areas that need improvement. Adjust your practice plan accordingly. Incorporate new content or material. Change your method or technique. Increase or decrease your frequency or duration. Switch your location or environment, or redefine your purpose or benefit. Repeat the cycle of execution, monitoring, feedback, and analysis until you achieve your goal or reach a satisfactory level of skill, knowledge, or ability. Practicing regularly and effectively will help you improve yourself and achieve your goals. It will help you consolidate what you learn and apply it to real situations. It will help you perform well under pressure and achieve excellence. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more motivational content. Thank you for watching and have a great day.